टॉपिक हमर कोन लग रे ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक पढ़ा होतला ना जस्ट previous class we have already discussed the topic trigonometric. Everyone know the formula? Sin minus x कितना है स्वाति? स्वाति previous class I have discussed some formula about the trigonometric functions. Sin of minus x, what is the value of sin of minus x?
Sin x
Minus of sin x. अच्छा, cos of minus x, that is cos x. Tan of minus x, that is tan x. We have discussed already all those formula. Then what is the formula of sin 90 minus x? Sin pi by 2 minus x. What is the formula? Sin 90 minus x. Roshan, what is the formula sin 90 minus x? That is sin x. Cos 90 minus x, that is cos x. Tan 90 minus x, that is tan x. Cot x. Sin 90 minus cos 90 minus x, cos sin 90 minus x, that is sin x. Sin x agree?
Sir, cos x.
This is cos x, this is sin x, this is cot x. Just remember. Sin 90 minus x, that is cos x. Cos 90 minus x, that is sin x. Tan 90 minus x, that is cot x. That are the formulas I have given. What is the formula? Tan x plus tan y? Tan x plus y, that is equal to tan x plus of tan
Tan
y
x plus tan y by 1 minus tan
minus
x.
tan x into tan y. What is the formula of tan x minus tan y?
So tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y by
Tan x
1
minus
plus tan
tan
x
y
tan y.
divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. The tan x minus y, that is equal to tan x minus of tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. If x is equal to y, then we can find the tan 2x. See, x is equal to y. When you find the x is equal to y, then that is called as the tan 2x. Then tan 2x, the tan x plus tan x, that is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. That is the formula of tan 2x. We have already mentioned in previous class. So just today I will discuss some examples needed to solve this problem. One question is given here, sin x plus y, prove that. Question one example is given here. Prove that sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y, which is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. Just see, we need to prove this trigonometric function. So just look out right side of this problem. You consider right side or left side, which one you have considered. Suppose you need to right side of this problem and need to solve this left side condition. So RHS, right side we consider. Tan x plus of tan y divided by tan x minus of tan y. See? So you can factorize tan x, that is sin x by cos x. sin x by cos x, and tan y, that is sin y by cos y, whole divided by sin x by cos x minus of sin y by cos y. See this one? Then you take LCM here. Sin cos x cos y is taken LCM here. In the first case, you have see here cos x and cos y taken LCM. Then cos sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, which divided by, in denominator we also same LCM here. Cos x sin y, cos x cos y. So what is the value cos x LCM we consider? Then sin x cos y,
That's sin x cos y minus
sin
cos
x
x sin
cos
y.
y minus cos x sin y. Then this is cancelled denominator part. Anybody can say what is the sin a plus b, sin x plus y formula? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. That is applied for sin x plus y.
Minus y, that is sin x cos y minus cos
So
x
this
sin.
is sin x plus y, first upper part value. And denominator part value sin x minus y. Clear? Susti?
Yes, sir.
Clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Aditya,
Yes, sir.
doubt any?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll just coming in another question. Tan 3x, so that question, another question is show that tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x, which is equal to tan 3x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. You need to show this condition. How to show it? So just you consider 3x term here, 3x you written here, and that is you can explain like this: 2x plus x. Can I do? 3x.
Yes, sir.
We mentioned 2x plus x because 3x, 2x, and x is there. And taking tan on both sides. Therefore, we consider tan in both sides, means tan of 3x. That is equal to tan 2x plus of x. Tan x plus y formula everybody know. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. You can apply here.
The tan x plus tan y, 1 minus tan x tan y.
Bas. Tan x plus of tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. That is tan 3x. Then we need to multiply this value, tan 3x into multiply this value. Now tan 3x whole into 1 minus tan 2x into tan x, which is equal to tan 2x plus of tan x. Any doubt? From your side, have you any doubt from this condition? Hello? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then tan 3x you can multiply here. Tan 3x into 1. See, tan of 3x into 1 minus tan of 3x into tan 2x into tan x, which is equal to tan 2x plus of tan x. See, then that is right or wrong?
ହେଇଗଲା
That
sir.
is proof. Okay, tan 3x, then all the taken consider in left side. So this value tan 3x minus of tan 2x minus of tan x, and that is equal to tan 3x, tan 2x, and tan x. Hence it is proved that. Everyone see this value? Have you any doubt?
No
Swati,
sir.
Acha, Roshan Kumar, have you doubt? Roshan Kumar?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So Subham?
No, sir.
Okay. Then we'll come to the next question.
No sir.
Okay. We'll come to the next question. Prove that. Prove that cos pi by 4x pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x pi by 4 minus x, that is equal to √2 cos x. Okay, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Everybody know the formula. Cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Otherwise, cos c plus cos d formula everybody know. Cos c plus cos d, cos x plus cos y. Anybody can say LHS we consider here. LHS cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x. We consider left side value.
Sir, cos
you
a plus
apply
b
here.
by 2 cos a minus b by 2.
Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. What is the value?
Sir, cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2.
Cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. That is the value. Anyone? Or you can apply cos c plus cos d formula. Cos x plus cos y formula. Formula is apply here.
Sir, ମୁଁ ତ ସେଇଟା କହିଲି.
ଏଇଟା କଲୁ ତ?
Sir.
Cos y. What is the formula? 2 into cos.
Sir, ସେଇଟା ହବ cos x plus cos y ଟା ହବ 2 cos a plus 2 cos a plus b by x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2.
बस cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2, right? This formula. So you apply this condition, you have to apply here. So what is the result? Now 2 into cos this value plus this value. So 2 into pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x. Then plus x minus x cancel by 2. That is also 1 by 2. Into cos x minus y. Pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 plus x by 2. What is the value? This is cancelled.
1 cos pi by 4 cos x.
Cos x.
Cos pi by 4, that will 1 by √2.
2 cos pi by 4 into cos of x. The cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. What is the value of cos pi by 4, Swati, Susti? What is the value of cos pi by 4? This is 2, this is 1 by root 2. And this is cos x. Then finally root 2 cos x. Okay? Any doubt from your side?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Roshan Kumar. Roshan, have you any doubt?
No, sir.
Aditya? Aditya, have you any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll come to the next. Another example. Prove that. Prove that cos 7x plus of cos 5x by cosine 7x minus of sine 5x, which is equal to cot x. So we need to prove this condition. So first of all, we consider left side of this equation. Left side. Left side value cos 7x plus of cos 5x divided by sine 7x minus of sine 5 of x. So cos C plus cos D formula already previous example we can apply here. So what is the cos C plus cos D? You can apply here cos C plus cos D here. Cos x plus cos y formula you can apply. Cos x plus of cos y. And here you can apply sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y. This formula you can apply here. See.
2 cos sin 2 cos x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2.
2 cos x plus y by 2, but this is condition 2 into cos x plus y means 7x plus 5x by 2. Again, cos
7x minus 5x by
7x minus 5x by 2. Then second,
denominator 2 cos 7x plus 5x by 2 sin 7x minus 5x by 2.
cos x is sin x minus sin y. 2 cos 7x plus 5x by 2 and sin 7x minus 5x by 2. So see these two cancel. This is also cancel. And what is the remaining value?
Cos x by sin x.
Cos x plus sin x. Then that is equal to tan of x. Sorry, cot x. That is cot of x. Okay. That is cot of x. Okay. Any doubt? Swasti, have you any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt or no doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Aditya? Aditya,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so just we will come to another question. Suppose you need find the value of sine 40. Find the value. Find the value sine 15 degree. Anybody can guess how to find the sine 15 degree? Just guess.
Sir, half of sine 30.
Half of sine 30. Okay. Or anyone how to find this solution of sine 15 degree? Roshan Kumar. Just guess how to find it.
Yes.
How to find? 15 degree can be arranged 45 minus.
Sir, ସେଇଟା ହବ sin 45 degree minus 30 degree ନହେଲେ 60 degree minus 45 degree.
Okay. So just we can arrange like this, either 45 minus 30 degree or 60 minus 45 degree. Okay. So just sign you can put here. So that is same as the sine 15 degree. Can I arrange like this? Then you can apply sine A plus B formula here. This is sine A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Just you look out here. What is the value of sine 45 degree? Sine 45 value, Roshan Kumar.
Sir, 1/2. No, 1/2 nahi. 1/√2.
1 by root 2. Cos 30 value, Aditya. Cos 30.
Sir, √3/2.
Root 3 by 2. Minus cos 45, Swasti. Cos 45. Swasti. Shubham.
Sir,
Cos 45 value,
so 1/2.
1 by root 2. And sine 30 degree, Shubham.
Sin 31 by
1 by 2. Then you can multiply this result. Then that is root 3 by, this is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Then you can simplify this result, that is LCM 2 root 2. Then what is the value? That is root 3 of minus 1. See, that is the root 3 of minus 1 is the value. So what is the sine 15 degree value? Sine 15 degree.
√3 minus 1 by 2 root 2.
Root 3 minus 1 by 2 of root 2. That is the value of sine 15 degree. Okay. So just will come to another question. Sine square 16. Prove that. Another question is prove that. Exercise 3.3. Topic. See. Sine square 16 degree. Sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. How to solve with this value? LHS we consider here LHS. That is sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. The see here, what is the value of sin pi by 6? Sin pi by 6 means what is the value?
Sir, sin square 30 degree 1 by 4.
Sin square 30 degrees. Sin 30. What is the sin 30 value?
Sir, 1 by 2. 1 by 4 is
1 by 2 square by 1 by 4. Cos pi by 3, cos square pi by 3. That is also 1 by 2.
same value. The cos square 60 degree.
Cos 60, that is 1 by 2. Tan 45, 1 by root 2.
Sir, 1.
Oh, tan 45, that is 1, right? 1. Then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Then what is this value? 2 minus 4 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence, that is the RHS. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
See. So stay clear. This is question
Yes,
number
sir.
1 for the 3 point. Question number 1, this one, 3.3 exercise. Clear? Then just we come to another question. Sin 75 degree. What is the find the value of this question number 5 we want to discuss. Find the value of
Sin 30
find
degree
the
plus 45
value
degree.
of sin 75 degree. Anybody can say how to arrange this value?
Sir, 30 degree plus 45 degree.
30 degree plus 45 degree. Then just you can arrange, this is the answer. Sin of 30 degree plus of 45 degree. Then you apply your sin A plus B formula. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. What is the value sin 30 degree?
Sir,
Sin
1 by 2
30.
cos 45, 1 by root 2 cos by 30
1
root
by
3
root
by 2.
1 by 2, 1 by root 2.
Sir, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Then this is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is sin 75 degrees. See. Aditya, have you any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Roshan Kumar.
No, sir.
Okay. Then just will come to another question. Tan 15 degree you need to find. Tan 15 already 15 question already cover. Another example is the tan 15 degree. So how to arrange this one, Sosti? How to arrange this one? Tan 30, na tan 45 minus 30. Can I write like this? Then just
Yes, sir.
tan A minus B formula you apply here. Tan A minus of tan B whole divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Just you look out and substitute the value here. Tan 45 degree, that is 1. Tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3. Then 1 plus 1 by root 3. Then you take LCM root 3, then root 3 minus 1, divided by root 3 and root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. And root 3 is cancelled. And that is the value root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Shruti, अच्छा clear or doubt? Any doubt for this question?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then we come to next. Another one example. Cos pi by 4 minus x. Question number 6. Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y. Minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. Is equal to sin x plus y. We need to prove this value. So that is the direct statement for us. Sin cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. किसका formula है? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Whose formula is this one? Cos a cos b minus
Cos
sin a sin b.
a cos a plus b. Cos a plus b.
Cos a plus b. So here you can apply the direct formula here. This question you have to direct apply here. That is we have written here, that is cos a plus b. What is the cos a plus b? A is pi by 4 minus x plus b is pi by 4 minus y. Then you can write also this value. The pi by 4 plus pi by 4. What is the value? Pi by 4 plus pi by 4? Pi by 2.
Pi by
Minus you bracket taken common x plus y. What is the value? Cos 90 minus theta. You can apply cos 90 minus theta here. You can apply here cos 90 minus theta. Anyone? What is the formula of cos 90 minus theta? Cos
Sin
90
theta.
minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta. That is same as the sin theta. Then see cos 90 minus theta, that is sin of x plus y. Anyone doubt? Question number 6. Anyone? No doubt. Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Then just you come to another question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Cos pi plus x into cos of minus x divided by cos pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x, which is equal to cot square x. See, you need to find this LHS side, this side. What is the formula? Cos pi plus x. Anybody can say? You apply here cos pi plus x.
Sir, minus cos x.
Minus of cos x. Cos minus x, that is cos of x.
Sir, cos x.
Cos pi minus x, cos pi minus x.
Sir, সেটা
Anyone
হবো
remember
minus
cos
cos
pi
x.
minus x?
Sir, minus cos x.
Minus cos x.
Sir, cot
And cos
square
90
ହେଲେ
cos
ଖାଲି
x.
cot ହବା
Hmm?
ସେଟା ତ ହବ ସାର୍ ଏଟା ଇଏ ହବା କଥା ମାନେ cot x ହବା କଥା cot square ତ ହବନି.
Cot x.
Yes sir. Cot
Question
square.
कौन देची? Cot square x तो लिखी. Oh sorry. এটা আমি ভুল লিখ দিলে. That is wrong sign. This is sign. Sin pi minus x. Okay. What is sin pi minus x value? Sin x. Cos 90 minus
sin
x.
x हब. Sir
Cos
minus cos.
90 minus x, that is a sin x. Cos 90 plus sorry, cos 90 plus x
Sir minus sin x.
minus sin x, so that is positive. So what is the cos pi plus x? Cos pi plus x negative or positive? Cos pi plus x negative.
Sir negative हब. Cos टा ये second quadrant negative ना.
Cos pi plus x negative. Cos minus x also positive. But cos sin pi minus x, that is sin x. Cos pi by 2 plus x, that is minus sin x. Cos pi by 2x plus x is a minus, so that is minus. So cos x into cos x, cos square x, and this is sin x into sin x, that is sin square x. That is equal to cot square x. Any doubt? Have you any doubt or clear for this question? Hello?
No sir.
Okay. So just we coming to another question.